Welcome to part 3 of me removing the pads. I will be trying to finish up this section of the pads today. Right now I'll probably be able to finish today maybe by the afternoon around like 2. One hit, come on, one hit.
Same parts all day long. If so, exchange
I'm gonna remove these bolts and I'll be back with y'all. So I took the pads off. I need to cut one bolt. Alright, let's start bringing in the pads. But I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm on my last few pads. I'm on my final 8 pads. I'm finna remove them, replace them, and I'm gonna be happy. And I cannot wait for this thing to leave the shop. That thing finally left the shop.